This video will show you how to change the default language in Nox Player and Nox Assistant. Does your Nox Player come with a system language you don't understand? If so, here are ways to change the language to your preferred one. Here, our Nox Player's default language is in Malay. We want to change it to English. Here are the steps to do so. Click on the gear icon on the top right of the Nox Player interface. On the Settings window, click on General. On the Language section, choose your preferred language. Here are among the supported language. We'll choose English. Next, save your setting. You'll be prompted to restart Nox Player for the change to take effect. Go ahead and do it. You'll now see that the system language has been changed to English. Here's how to change the default language through Nox Assistant. Click on the three horizontal lines. Select Settings. You'll see that there's no option to change language. So, how do you change the default language? Here's a workaround. Go to the Nox Assistant icon on your desktop. Right-click and open the file location. Then, search for language. Right-click on the Language Configuration Settings file. Select Open with Notepad. Change the language to English by typing EN. Then, save the file. Now go back to Nox Player and close it. Then, relaunch it. You'll see that the default language has been changed to English. Those were the two ways to change the default language in Nox Player. Go ahead and give the steps a try.
Simply click the link below to learn more.